So hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Creatrix. Welcome to Unacademy. So in these sessions, we are going to start the communication system and you are going to study the communication system like never before. So before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishal Soni and I have cleared ESC examination 2 times, both times in double digit rank. And I have also served as a Group A Gazette officer in Indian Railways and in Indian Telecommunication Services. And I have also cleared a lot of public sector examinations. So right now I'm teaching on Unacademy and I really feel proud to be the part of the Unacademy team, because Unacademy is the revolution in the field of free education and in the field of affordable education, and we as a team are really looking forward for every student to just come onto the Unacademy platform. You can attend the special classes, you can come onto this YouTube channel and you can stay connected with us so that you can understand the quality education and you can understand the efforts that we are putting in, so that every student of this country, whether he stays in a village or he stays in a town, should get the access of the content, that too in a very affordable prices, and he can also or she can also clear the examination with the best possible ranks. So right now I'm teaching on Unacademy with more than 15 million watch minutes in the overall duration and 2 million watch minutes in the last 30 days. So I am right now the top educator in Unacademy across all the branches, having rank 4 right now. And you can also follow me on Unacademy on this particular link. So you can go and follow me on Unacademy. Apart from that, my advice to every student is that how should you crack the examination and what are the components to cracking the examination. So the first question that comes to the mind, that can anyone prepare from the YouTube? Yes, you can prepare from the YouTube, but you should develop or cultivate some habits in yourself. For example, you should be very much disciplined. You should arrange the extra resources. For example, the PDFs you have to arrange, the test series you have to arrange by yourself, and most importantly, that self-discipline you should be containing in yourself, so that you can be very corrective manner and you can approach the examination in the best possible manner. So all these things you have to arrange yourself. The sense of competitiveness you have to cultivate in yourself, because the audience on the YouTube are not that much of competitive in nature, or maybe you cannot feel the competition which is present right now. So all these things are the part of the journey if you want to prepare through the YouTube, or maybe if you want to prepare through the free resources. Apart from that, if you want that you should get complete content, then this is the YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel itself, all the free content are available. You just have to go to the playlist. All the subjects are completed there. You just have to go and watch all the lectures one by one. Definitely will be getting benefited. But the extra things that I have told you, that the self-discipline and the sense of competitiveness and a lot of things you have to arrange by yourself. If you are comfortable in that, then you can do that. Apart from that, you should also have Unacademy learning app, so that the special classes you can attend. A lot of educators in this country are actually providing the special classes, that too absolutely free of cost, so that you can get the quality content in the best possible manner. Apart from that, there is also another component for you, which is Unacademy Plus. So on Unacademy Plus, what is your job? You just have to study. If you join this Unacademy Plus, you do not have to worry about the crash courses, weekly test, doubt solving sessions, the language barrier, rank improvement batches, live classes. So all these things will be taken care by the Unacademy. You just have to take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you have to come on to the Unacademy. You will be daily getting the live classes. You will be getting the crash courses. When you will be getting the crash courses? When the syllabus are completed. You will be getting the weekly test in the form of quizzes. Every fourth class is the doubt solving session, which is the major you can say the component or the major impact will be creating on your studies will be this doubt solving group. Because until and unless your doubts are not being cleared, until and unless you are not able to clear your doubts, you will never get the confidence in the subject. So once you come on to this Unacademy Plus, every fourth class is doubt solving session. Apart from that, various other doubt solving sessions are going on. So ultimately you will be getting your doubts cleared and you will gain confidence in the subject. The language barrier will not be an issue, because the batches will be running both Hindi and in English, and rank improvement batches will also be there. So all these things are the component of this Plus subscription. Once you come on to this Unacademy Plus, you do not have to be worried about your self-discipline, your competitiveness nature. Everything will be present on Unacademy, because a lot of other students will be there. Since the classes will be live, you can also watch it recorded later on. So the discipline automatically comes, because you get the idea that you will be having the daily live classes. Apart from that, there is also one iconic subscription. In this iconic subscription, the game changer is this personal coach. So this subscription is for them who thinks that their basics are weak, or those who are talented but they needs a continuous push. So this personal coach will be guiding you throughout your strategy. He will be giving you the study planners. You will be getting the study booster sessions. Once you will get the test, you will be getting the analytics. Analytics plays a major role in improving yourself. We as a teacher also get our analytics so that we can improve on the daily basis. So once you start getting the analytics, you will be also improving massively on the daily basis. Apart from that, there will also be the guidance for the mains once you clear the prelims, and there will also.
Hello friends, so in the last lecture we studied about the sampling of sinc functions. Also we saw the natural sampling. So in this case we will discuss the flat top sampling. So in the last class we saw the drawback of natural sampling, that in case of natural sampling the sample has variable amplitude throughout the tau duration, which means it requires different power at each instant of time, which is very difficult to generate. So that is why we will use the flat top sampling. Now in case of flat top sampling, let me give you the setup. So to generate the flat top sampling, first of all your signal x of t is multiplied with an impulse train. It is multiplied with an impulse train which is t minus nts. Then it is passed through an LTI system whose unit impulse response is h of t. And this is the flat top sampled signals. So I will call it as x1t. Now first of all let us try to observe it mathematically. So this x1t will become x of t into pt. So this can be written as x of t into summation of del of t minus nts, where n varies from minus infinite to infinite. So this x1t can be written as x of t into del of t minus nts, where n varies from minus infinite to plus infinite, or x1t can be written as summation of x of nts del of t minus nts, where n varies from minus infinite to plus infinite. So this is the x1t. Now we can also write y of t, and y of t is nothing but x1t convolution with h of t. So this can be written as summation of x of nts del of t minus nts, and this is minus infinite to infinite, and we have to convolve this signal with h of t. So we know that here this signal is not the function of t. So this is the function of t and this is also the function of t. So in that case you have to convolve these two signals. We know that the convolution with shifted impulse leads to, this is x of nts, and this convolution is h of t minus nts. So this is the sampled signal. So y of t can be written as summation of x of nts h of t minus nts, where n is from minus infinite to infinite. Now let me define this h of t. So I can define this h of t to be something like this. So this is our h of t. It is having some tau duration and amplitude as 1. Now let us expand this expression. So you can write it as x of minus ts h of t plus ts, x of 0 h of t, x of ts h of t minus ts, x of 2 ts h of 2 minus 2 ts, and so on. So suppose we have our signal x of t as this. This is your x of t. Suppose this point is 0. This is ts. This is 2ts and so on. So if I will draw the sampled signal y of t, then we know that the sampled signal y of t can be obtained by multiplying this h of t with x of 0. So this value is x of 0. This value is x of ts. This value is x of 2ts and so on. So to draw the spectrum, to draw the y of t, you can say that if you have to draw this x of 0 into h of t, so you have h of t, you simply have to multiply it x of 0. So the graph of x of 0 into h of t will look something like this. So it will have shape of h of t, but its amplitude will be scaled by x of 0. So this is the x of 0 and this will be the this duration is tau. So this is your x of 0 into ht. Now you have to draw x of ts and shift it by ts. So first of all, if I will draw h of t minus ts, so it will look something like this. It will have ts and this point will become tau plus ts. This is the graph of h of t minus ts. Now if I will multiply it with x of ts, then the shape of this h of t minus ts will not change, only its peak value x of ts will change. So you can say that this value is x of ts, so this value will also become x of ts. So here the shape will remain same, only its amplitude will be changed. So here amplitude was x of 0, here the amplitude was x of ts. Similarly, you can see from here also that it will take its amplitude and retain the shape of h of t. So this point is ts, this point is 2ts and so on. So from here you can see that the sampled signal which you obtained has flat tops in this case. It is not taking the shape of the message signal. The shape of the message signal is something like this. This is the shape of x of t, but it is not following the shape of x of t, but it is retaining the flat top, because in each case you are shifting this h of t by ts, by 2ts, by 3ts and so on. So the shape of h of t remains same, only its amplitude is changing. In case of x of 2ts, h of t minus 2ts, this will be shifted to 2ts. So this will become 2ts, 2ts plus tau, and its peak value will be x of 2ts. So in this case, we are able to obtain the flat top sampled signal. So because of this flat top, each sample will have constant amplitude. That is why it will not require variable power at each instant of time. So it can very well remove the drawback of the natural sampling. So this was the time domain analysis. Now let us try to do the frequency domain analysis. So we want to do the frequency domain analysis of flat top sampling. So you know that again, that x of t is having Fourier transform x of f and you are obtaining x1t by multiplying this x of t with impulse train t minus nts. So from here you can get x1f as fs into summation of x of f minus nfs. It is varying from minus infinite to plus infinite. Now in order to obtain the y of t, you convolve your x of t with h of t. So y of f will become x1f into h of f. x1f we have already obtained as x of f minus nfs, and we have to multiply it by h of f. So simply you have to calculate h of f, and you can calculate it from here. This is your signal h of t, which is having amplitude as 1 and duration as tau. So we know the Fourier transform of this particular pulse is tau sampling omega tau by t e to the power minus j omega tau by t. So yf can be written as fs summation of x of f minus nfs, where n varies from minus infinite to infinite, into sampling this is x omega. So you can also obtain x of f from here. This will be h of f. So this is your h omega. H omega. So h omega comes out to be tau sampling omega tau by 2 e power minus j omega tau by 2. So you can write h of f as tau sampling pi f tau e to the power minus j pi f tau. So I have simply put omega equal to 2 pi f. So now y of f can be written as fs summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite x of f minus nfs, and this is sampling of pi f tau e to the power minus j pi f tau. So this y of f can be written as fs into tau sampling pi f tau e to the power minus j pi f tau summation of x of f minus nfs, where n can vary from minus infinite to infinite. And all these expressions which are written here are independent of n. So only this particular portion depends upon n. So this yf can be written as fs into tau sampling of pi f tau e power minus j pi f tau summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite minus fs. So if I write mod of yf from here, so this mod of yf can be written as fs of tau sampling of pi f tau, its magnitude into summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite x f of n minus fs. So basically I can write this y of f as f of s into tau sampling of pi f tau e to the power minus j pi f tau into x of f plus fs plus x of f plus x of f minus fs and so on. So this will be our y of f. So you can see that whenever you will draw the spectrums of x of f minus fs, x of f plus fs, all these spectrums will be multiplied by this constant parameter, which is fs tau sampling of pi f tau e to the power minus j 2 pi f tau. So if I can consider the spectrum of x of t to be x of f, and let me consider x of f in this case something like this. So this is x of f from minus fm to fm, and this is your f. So if I have to draw the spectrum of sampled signal, which is yf, which is some fs into tau sampling pi f tau e to the power minus j 2 pi f to the power minus j pi f tau into x of f plus fs plus x of f plus x of f minus fs and so on. So I can draw the spectrum something like this. So obviously this particular expression will act as envelope for all these spectrums. So first of all I will draw the envelope. This is your y of f, this is f. Now in this case the spectrum from minus fm to fm, which is this spectrum, will no more be constant, but it will be some tilted version. Similarly, you can draw the remaining spectrums also. Say for example at fs we might be having spectrum something like this. So this will be at fs, and at minus fs we might have spectrum something like this. So these will be the spectrum which will be received by the receiver. Now at receiver it will pass this spectrum through a low pass filter. So this was the spectrum from minus fm to fm. Then this is at fs. Then again this is at minus fs, and this is y. So we will pass it through a low pass filter which has cutoff frequencies from minus fm to fm. So the output will be something like this, and you can very clearly see from here that this is the recovered signal y0 f, and the transmitted signal was something like this. So this was the transmitted signal. So this much amount of error or distortion we are getting. So this was the original message signal which was transmitted, and while receiving we were getting the diminished amplitude at the higher frequencies. So as we move from 0 to FM, as the frequency is increasing, the amplitude gets decreasing. Here also the amplitude is decreasing in frequency domain. So the distortion occurs at this particular point, and this distortion is known as aperture effect. So because of the term present in the YF, which is this sinc in nature, so this sin x by x term which is present in Y of f is basically the reason. Because of this, the shape of this YF gets modified according to the envelope of this sin x by x term. So we are not getting the exact aperture from minus FM to FM, rather it is being distorted, and this is known as the aperture effect. So in flat top sampling, higher spectral components of baseband signal, higher spectral component of baseband signal gets attenuated at the output of low pass filter. Attenuation of higher spectral components, produces distortion in recovered signal. This distortion is known as aperture effect. So this distortion is known as aperture effect. Now to remove the aperture effect, following two conditions can be used. So the first condition is that the YF that we are getting is which is Fs into tau sampling of pi f tau e to the power minus j 2 pi f tau summation of x of f minus nfs, where n is varying from minus infinite to infinite. So we know that this sampling pi f tau will be 0 when this pi f tau becomes integer multiples of k pi. So from here you can see that f can be written as k by pi. sorry, f can be written as k by tau. Here k cannot be 0 and k belongs to integer. So if I will draw the envelope first, and we know that its 0 crossing are multiples of 1 by tau. So this is the envelope. This is the envelope. Now this particular frequency is 1 by tau. This is minus 1 by tau. This is 2 by tau. This is minus 2 by tau. This is f. And this we have drawn the envelope, which is tau into fs, sampling of pi f tau e to the power minus j 2 pi f tau. So this is the spectrum. Now if we consider that one by tau is very much greater than fm. So if this 1 by tau is very much greater than fm, so in this case so this envelope will gets bigger and bigger. So if I will draw the envelope will look something like this. This is the envelope. So this 0 crossovers will be 1 by tau, minus 1 by tau, this will be 2 by tau, this will be minus 2 by tau. Now if I consider that this one of by tau is very much greater than fm, so in that case the spectrum which we will obtain in tau duration will be something like this, and this will be from minus fm to fm. So this will be from minus fm to fm, and whenever I will pass it through the low pass filter, which is from minus fm to fm, obviously there will be its other counterparts also, which will be some here at fs and so on. So whenever I will pass it through the low pass filter, this is h of f. Now in this case you can very clearly see that the aperture effect has been reduced slightly. So we got something like this, and this should have been the case. So aperture effect has been reduced slightly. If I would have considered my fm a little bit close to tau, suppose if this would have been fm or this would have been minus FM. So in that case, the filtering of low pass filter will given us something like this. This is minus FM, this is FM, and this is again the output of the low pass filter. So this is Y naught F versus F. This is also Y naught F versus F. So from here you can also see that the aperture effect is little bit larger. So if you have to remove the aperture effect, the first condition that you can maintain from here is that 1 by tau should be very much greater than Fm, or you can say that tau should be very much less than 1 by Fm. So the first remedy to reduce the aperture effect is we should reduce the pulse duration of h of t. Now let us have a look on the second condition. We know that we have obtained yf, which is tau into fs sampling pi f tau e to the power minus j pi f tau into summation of x of f minus nfs, where n can vary from minus infinite to plus infinite. So if before passing it to the low pass filter, I can pass it to a device which can cancel out all these values, which means if y of s is passed through an equalizer, then I will pass it through a low pass filter. Then also I can reduce the aperture effect, and the transfer function of the equalizer must be 1 upon tau into fs sampling pi f tau e power minus j2 f tau. So this must be the transfer function of equalizer, and this is your y of f. So this is the transfer function of equalizer. So the output of this will be summation of n equal to minus infinite to infinite x of f minus nfs. And now whenever we will pass it through the low pass filter, which is allowing only frequencies from minus fm to fm, then in this case we can obtain our x of f without any aperture effect. So sometimes it is asked that what should be the characteristic of this equalizer. So you can see that this equalizer is representing some 1 by sinc x expression, or you can say that it must have format of some x by sin x. So in general sense you can say that the equalizer must have transfer function or the magnitude response which is the inverse of the sinc function. So sometimes it is also written that if yf is the spectrum obtained from flat top sampling, then before passing through the low pass filter you must pass it through some equalizer having transfer function x by sin x. This is equalizer. So it will balance the envelope which were creating the aperture effect. Then you should pass it through a low pass filter. Then the output of low pass filter will be x of f. So in this way you can also obtain the signal x of f. So that is it from this lecture. Thank you.
So hopefully you have understood every concept in this class. If you have any doubt in any concept, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll try to resolve that thing. Apart from that, you can also follow me on various social media platforms. For example, you can join this Telegram group where you will be getting important notification, important updates. This is Telegram group where you can also comment, you can ask your queries, or maybe you can also suggest me for the improvement. Apart from that, this is my Unacademy profile. On this Unacademy profile, you should also follow me so that you can get the important updates of the Unacademy also, right? And this is the Notion page. You just have to type this tiny.cc/VishalGate. So you will be redirected to a page where all the special classes are arranged very systematically. तो मैंने बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पे स्पेशल क्लास ले रखी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नाइक्विस्ट, फूरियर सीरीज, latches and flip flop, double integrations, okay, lot of things are there. So you will be getting all these concepts absolutely free of cost. You just have to type this in your URL. You will be redirected to that page and attend these lectures one by one. You will be getting a next level confidence in these topics that I can guarantee you. Now this is the Notion page of your YouTube, on which you will be getting the links of the YouTube. Apart from that, you will be also getting the PDFs of that particular lecture. So this is very important for you, and just you have to type http://bit.ly/gatelive. So gatelive, you just have to type it in the capital so that you can access all the lectures link and PDF arranged systematically. So if you want to attend or you want to clear the examination with the free resource, then this is the channel for you. This is the best recorded videos which has been ever made. You just have to go to that lecture, just click the link and download the PDF and start studying systematically. So we have also done this for you so that any student, whether he is sitting any part of this country, should not face the difficulty in cracking the examination, whether he can afford or he cannot. Now if you can afford, then the subscription prices are not something which you cannot pay. It is very nominal amount which you can pay, and you can just avoid all the distractions, all the time wastage which we will be doing in downloading those PDFs, arranging them, arranging for the test series, and a lot of other things that you have to arrange, doubt solvings you have to arrange by yourself. If you want to avoid all those distractions in a very nominal amount, so you can go for the Unacademy Plus subscription. For 12-month subscription, you have to pay only 74 rupees per day. Apart from that, for 18-month subscription, which is the best possible subscription, you have to pay 63 rupees per day. It is even lesser than the pizzas that you order on your home. So it is that much of amount that can shape your career, that can give you the best possible rank in the examinations under the guidance of the best teachers of the country, which has been right now placed on the Unacademy. Now 24-month subscription will cost you 54 rupees per day. So these subscription amounts will give you the subscription for the desired period. Apart from that, if you are using this code, you just have to remember this code, write my name, write GATE after it. You can also write ESC after it. So you have to write my name and write ESC after it. So any one of these code, once you apply, you will be immediately getting the 10% discount. You will be getting all the features of the Unacademy. You will be getting the guidance of all the teachers present on Unacademy, and everything you will be getting that is needed to crack the examination once you are using this code. So if you think we are working hard, we are giving our best content, we are giving the free content absolutely for you guys, and everything that is needed for every student to crack the examination. So never forget to use this code whenever you are taking the subscription. So this code is very important and you have to use every time you are taking the subscription. Now those who are interested for the prices, total price amount, so let me tell you, total price is 27,225 for 12 month, 34,650 for 18, and for 24 month it is 39,600. You can also pay this by using zero cost EMI. Zero cost EMI can be paid by credit card and debit card. In debit cards, there are only Bajaj and HDFC as of now available. Okay, so the zero cost EMI means you do not have to pay anything extra. Any interest is not, you should not pay, and you have to pay this much of amount on the daily basis if you are looking for the zero cost EMI option. Apart from that, if you are coming for Iconic subscription, so Iconic mein, I have already told you that your personal coach will be the game changer. He will be succeed. He will be basically following you to give you the guidance so that you can get the success in a very short span of time. So he will be following you, he will be pushing you every time. Now once you use this coupon code, this will be costing you around 45,225, and if you are using this coupon code, write my name gate after it, you will be getting the 24-month subscription of Iconic in 66,600 rupees. Fine. Apart from that, every one of you should follow this GATE aspirant group, and there also some important notification always comes. Now what are the YouTube channels that you should immediately subscribe? This Creatrix, this is the channel on which you are present. This is Unacademy GATE questions, where previous year questions has been solved by the educators. So you'll be getting all the previous year questions video solution apart from the PDF also. This is the Electrical Junction channel, where you will be getting the important concepts of EC and electrical. And this is Engineering Pathshala, where you will be getting some practical aspect of the videos, some animated videos that will enhance your ability to think. So these are the channels which you should immediately subscribe so that you can get a better content. Fine. Now these are my some YouTube videos which I have created for you. In all of these videos will give you some motivation, guidance, content, and some strategy. So these are hand-picked videos. You can immediately follow these videos. Okay. So thank you so much. And those who are coming on this channel, immediately share all the content which is present on this channel. We are working very hard for you guys. So this is your responsibility that you should share this channel. You should subscribe this channel. Also share the link of this channel, link of the videos, link of the educator whom you follow, so that every student who is needy, they can come onto this channel and they can get the best possible rank. So all the best everyone. Let's crack it.